Hello student, welcome to all of you once again in the class of Tybcom under the specialization of Marketing Management 2. In our previous lecture, we had seen the criticism of marketing, the impact of marketing and the recent trends in social marketing. Now, in our today's lecture, we are going to start a new unit. The title of this unit is Marketing Organization. So let's move on the study content first. So these are the study content of our today's session. I have to read one by one all of the study contents. Number one, introduction of marketing organizations. And number two, factors affecting on marketing organizations. So these are the basic introduction of marketing organization. In marketing organization, the term organization means organization is a subject of major importance to any company. Organization is a vehicle for accomplishing the goals and objectives of the business. There is no management without the organization. If human beings have to collaborate and works for a common purpose, organization is very essential. Organization is a group of peoples working together for the purpose of achieving the common objective. That is meant by organization. Now, what is meant by marketing organization? Marketing organization is a group of marketing person work together to make decisions on marketing areas like product, price, place, and promotion. Marketing organization is the foundation of effective sales planning for systematic execution of plans and policies. Marketing organization provides a system of relationship among various marketing functions to be performed by proper coordination among the marketing persons. Now the definition of marketing organization is marketing organization can be defined as a formal or informal group of individuals working together to reach quantitative and qualitative marketing objectives by making decisions on product, price, place, and promotion. I hope now you will understand the basic concept and definition of marketing organization very well. Now we have to move forward on next slide. Now in this slide, the scope of marketing organizations are given. I have to read and explain one by one all of the scope. Number one is establishment of responsibility. A marketing organization is helpful in establishing specific responsibilities and accountability on the part of individuals. The individuals working in the enterprises are brought together, woven into relationship and assigned specific responsibilities, accountabilities and positions. Number two is labor management. Unsound marketing organization often results in wasted motions and expensive overlap in work. On the other hand, planned marketing organization helps in division of labor, consistent delegation, clear job definition and increase in the overall efficiency. Number three, implementation of marketing functions. Marketing function requires the individuals to deal more with intangibles like ideas, innovations, and behavioral aspects, which reference to customers, competitors, intermediaries, unless they are properly organized. It is difficult to productively channelize them and bring order and system in the working. Number four is optimize the efforts of management. Marketing organization helps the executive and managers to get them relieved from the non-essential task and thereby allowing them to concentrate on essential tasks such as the planning, coordination, motivation, organization, control, etc. This become possible when manager age by exception. It helps to optimize the use of managerial aims and efforts. Number 5 is promoting new ideas. Marketing organization helps in promoting new ideas and innovations. It is possible when persons managing the department are not tied down by only formalism of authority. They should be interacting amongst themselves. And last one is coordination. The personality, characteristics, and personal purposes of individuals working in the enterprise are often at variance with the job demands and organizational goals. These variances do not get reconciled by themselves. It required deliberate organizational action. Marketing organization plays an important role in this reconciliation. Now, let's move on the next slide. Now, the next concept is factors affecting on marketing organization. The factors which can be influencing marketing organization can be classified into two groups. Number one is internal factor, number two is external factor. First of all, we have to see internal factors. Internal factors are affecting our marketing organizations through the following points. Number one, top management philosophy. Organizational planning and its working is greatly influenced by philosophy, which can be good or bad. Like example, centralization versus decentralization. Number two, product policy. The width of product line of an organization determines its size as the product offering become increasingly diverse. Like example, there should be a need to move away from straight functional approach to product group approach. Number 3, the size of the organization is not an important factor. Sorry, number 3 is people. The size of the organization is not an important factor in terms of number of people, but it is important with respect to human values, which are critical, and correct decision regarding people cannot be made unless taking into consideration. Under the component of people, the following major functions or the following major subparts are influencing the marketing decisions. Number one is number, number two is qualification of people, number three is capabilities of the people, number four is personality, attitude, and fear. So these are the factors which can be directly or indirectly influencing the decisions of marketing organization. So these are the internal factors. So we can say that these factors are controllable from the point of view of management. So next factor is external factors. The external factors includes the following major components. Number one is business environment. With regards to business environment, 3 points are important. Number one is the type of environment in which the firm is operating in terms of operations and size. Number two is the nature of particular requirement for success in a given business, which again determines the size. And number three is the rate of charge in industries being served, which again decides on the its size and working. Now number two is market. This is the factor which again affects the marketing organization at large. Like one should note about size of the market, scope of the market, nature of the market, and the major point is location. Based on the above aspects, we need to design the size of the organization. Number three is consumer requirements and expectations. Consumers have their own set of requirements and expectations from the organization. The more varied and vivid services they expect that the usual requirements. As a marketer, we need to increase the workload depending upon the customer requirements and expectations. And number four is channel of distribution. It is the type of channel of distribution which a marketing firm select based on its size. Like example, in case the company opt for indirect channel or channel, it depends on outside sales force and hence the organization gets thinner. When the organization selects direct channel, its size is increased as it has its own sales force. So student, in our today's lecture, we have to cover the basic introduction of marketing organization, the scope of marketing organization, and the factors which can be affecting on marketing organization. The remaining concept of unit number 3 will be covered on next lecture. Thank you.